Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Authenticator from Bitget. For that, first of all, you will have to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you will have to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, once you do this, in the top, you will be able to see your profile as well as a bunch of other details. So you will have to tap on this tab and then you will be landed on this page where in the top you will see security tab. So tap on security and here you will see Google Authenticator as one of the options. So you need to tap on Google Authenticator and after doing so, you will see change Google Authenticator. So if you want to make any changes into your Google Authenticator account that is linked with Bitget, you can do that. But since you want to remove Google Authenticator from Bitget, you will see the second option that says unbind Google Authenticator. So you need to simply tap on that and it will show you this type of security risk warning. So you will have to press OK over here, and on the next page you will have to simply tap on the unbind or remove option, and this way you will be able to easily remove your Google Authenticator from Bitget. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.